doing like a tech video on what not to do, or only emergency situations.
Well, it's just the horseshoe that sits in there.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, well, that whole episode there was so I could change these snail cam adjusters, put brand new ones on. I did the trick or whatever everybody's doing. I put 800 Razor rear shocks on the front of my Honda Pioneer, and the Polaris parts couldn't hold up to the Honda weight or the Honda, not power. Definitely doesn't have a lot of power, but anyway, they ended up cracking, so we're just changing them out so I can use them. But they do make a big difference. These bump stops, they're nice. I'll get this put back on. Okay, another thing I forgot to mention, all these guys that are buying these Polaris shocks, putting them on their bike, and they're talking about bending these out where the stock shocks go, these mounts, they're talking about bending them out to make the shock fit. That's the wrong thing to do. Why would you want to damage your bike? All you need to do, take a grinder with paddle wheel, flappy paddle wheel sander, and you grind a 1/16 of an inch off this side and a 1/16 of an inch off this side. It'll grind flat, it'll grind the rubber and everything. Shock fits right in there. You don't have to do any modifications to your bike. Shock's still good. Still got the rubber left on each side. Bushing's still in good shape. I don't know, that's what I did. Makes more sense. If anybody wants to know how to make these dangerous things to work on your springs, you basically just cut the hook out one end of your ratchet strap. You got to get one with a long lead. Cut the hook out, and hey, you have a dangerous spring changer. There, this one you can see the damage. Broke this piece off, and it's all cracked up in there. Good to go. Good to go.